By the grace of Allah, Jamaat Ahmadiyya Sweden were able to conduct a very successful Tablighi trip to the southeast region of Sweden. In a span of 7 days, three Murabbiyan were able to visit 6 cities. Muballigh Charge Sahib conducted the trip on the guidance from National Amir Sahib. The motto for this trip was Ask a Muslim, and for this, a special tent was designed on which it said Ask a Muslim with bold and visible letters. The trip commenced with silent prayer led by Amir Sahib on the morning of the 21st of August. The total traveling of this trip amounted to 2,600 kilometers. On this trip, the car that was used was accompanied by a trailer on which there was a large picture of Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salam, under which it was written, Messiah has arrived, along with Jamaat's motto, love for all and hatred for none, in Swedish, as well as relevant contact information. With the permission from local police, this trailer was placed for 5 hours in busy and famous places in each of the 6 visited cities. This enabled the public to come and hold discussions with the Murabbiyan. A lot of people came up to the Murabbiyan to appreciate the message that was being spread by the Jamaat and expressed their wish for this message to be continuously spread. These Tablighi stalls were held in the cities of Kalmar, Nybro, Västervik, Växjö, Halmstad, and Karlskrona. Before the trip, local newspapers and reporters and politicians were contacted, as well as local vicars, in order to spread awareness for the trip, whilst also inviting them in for meetings. By the grace of Allah, the local media presented the message of this trip in a beautiful way. Through 11 newspapers, 2 radio stations, and 1 TV news channel, Jamaat's message was spread throughout the region. Other media outlets also posted interviews with the Murabbiyan on their online websites. In the local newspaper of the city Växjö, there was half a page for the advertisement of this trip. On this half page was a picture of the promised Messiah, Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salam, along with Jamaat's motto of love for all and hatred for none. During this trip, the Murabbiyan were able to meet with 3 vicars who were presented with the gift of the Quran by Muballigh Charge Sahib. Similarly, a meeting was held with the mayor of Kalmar, in which the topic of promoting humanity and morals was discussed. The mayor was also presented with a Quran by Muballigh Charge Sahib. MTA International, Sweden Studios.